Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard of Believe Beauty Skin? Well, you and me both, because I have never heard of this skincare brand before until I walked into the Dollar General and saw this brand. In the video, I will be explaining each product as I show you my current skincare routine. It's not the full 8 steps. I'm only using 3 of them: the cleanser, the exfoliant, and the moisturizer. Those are the basic 3 that you need if you are looking to start your skincare routine, or if you're looking for more advanced, you can reference back to my 8-step skincare routine video, and it will give you all the steps that you need as far as the products and the order that you need to apply the products in order to have a good skincare routine. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So here I'm using the Believe Beauty Purifying Foam Cleanser, a rich lather that cleanses skin of impurities, infused with charcoal and aloe, intended for normal to oily skin. Treat your skin to an invigorating cleanse with this gentle and effective cleanser that is perfect for everyday use. This creamy texture lathers into an ultra-rich foam to remove makeup and deeply cleanse pores. Infused with charcoal and aloe, this cleanser leaves skin feeling purified and soft. The next one is going to be Believe's Beauty Exfoliating In-Shower Face Mask, an exfoliating treatment for when you're tight on time, infused with apricot powder and white peony for all skin types. A must-have for your shower, this mask will reveal more radiant and smoother looking skin in only a few minutes. The next is going to be Believe's Beauty Moisture Cream, a rich cream that leaves skin soft and supple, infused with jasmine, camellia, plus vitamin E for normal to dry skin. As a rich buttercream, offers moisture to reduce dryness, and it tacks while leaving no greasy residue.